Mm-hmm. Yo. I'm finna grab a water real quick. All right. Yo. All right, we're gonna start the back test session over, but we're gonna start from a different week. We're just gonna do the week that we just had. Basically, we're gonna review from Monday. We're gonna go through. I'm gonna do it a little different than how I was just doing it. I'm gonna go through the whole week. I'm gonna go through the whole week trading. I'm gonna trade the whole last week with my usual trading plan. We're gonna see how much money we're gonna see our P&L at the end of the week, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do the same thing over again, except I'm gonna use the reversals. So how I'm gonna do it? I'm gonna start from 3 a.m. and I'm gonna trade until I either make 1,000 or lose 1,000, and then I'm gonna move to the next trading day. I'm gonna do that for the week, and then I'm gonna restart it, and I'm gonna do the same thing, except I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna make a slight tweak to the trading plan, and I'm gonna cut my L short, and I want to see at the end of the week if I cut my L short, uh, will I have a higher P&L or a lower P&L? That's what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and get to it. Monday, 3 a.m. All right, and then after I do this on NQ, I'm gonna do the same thing on gold. So That's how we're gonna do this. Let me drop some links in the chat real quick since this is a new live stream, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Mm-mm. Mm, mhm, 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 mhm. Listening to that G Herbo right now. All right, there go all the links. All right, we can go ahead and get to business now. Uh, all right, we got 5 people in here. Let's get 3 likes. Quick little breakdown. Quick little breakdown. This is a back test session where we're just sharpening our minds, you know, improving our strategy, making slight adjustments if we need them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to back test our whole last week, go through with my usual trading plan. If I make 1,000 or lose 1,000, I'm going to move on to the next trading day. We're trading on Nasdaq, and then I'm going to go back. I'm going to do the same week, except I'm going to make a slight tweak, and I'm going to cut my L short. And I'm going to see if I cut my L short or let the trades play out, whether my P&L is higher or lower. And if, based on the data, we'll see if we need to make any tweaks to our trading plan. So here we go. We start trading at 3 a.m. We trade the 1 minute time frame. So let's get to it. Let's see. Let's wait for our first zone. Wait, December is not the right. It's not the right week. Right here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so as y'all know, when I enter when I enter a trading day, I don't use a zone that was already there. I like to see a new zone form, so I won't take this setup. I need a new zone to form. All right, here we go. All right, so this is what the zone would look like. And like I said, the first time going through this week, I'm not gonna do any adjustments. I'm just gonna go through with my normal trading plan. We're gonna see what the ending P&L would be, and yeah, that's that. And actually, instead of did it just reset? And actually, when I y'all know when I'm trading live, I have $1,000 cap. But since we're back testing, we're gonna do something a little different. Instead of having $1,000 cap, if I hit 1,000 and um and I still have a current win streak going, I'm just gonna keep going to see how long that win streak would be. Because I don't want to say because that $1,000 cap, I might actually be cutting myself off short. You know what I'm saying? So that's why it's important to back test to know, any mistakes that you're making. So yeah. All right, we got a sell. Some of these trades might be the same ones we took on stream, and some of them won't be. But this is trade number 1. All right, that's TP smash. I'll leave that up there, and we're gonna have an anchor text here to keep track of our record. and we'd be up $200. If I lose 1,000, if my P&L goes negative $1,000, then I'll just move on to the next trading day because that's my max daily loss. So let's keep going. All right, here we go. All right, that's a buy. We're on TP2 now. As y'all know, we add all our profits to the SL to improve our win rate. So that's 2-0. We are trading NQ. All right, here goes the zone. All right, we did get the close above. Let me make sure I was actually accurate with my zone placement. Let me make sure I was accurate with my zone placement. That's very important. Hold on. Because sometimes I do rush and I place my zones and they're not as accurate as they should be. All right, that's good. All right, now let's make sure that actually did close above. See, that's why it's very important to make sure that the zones that you're placing is as tight as they're supposed to be. I taught myself how to back test. I've been trading for 4 years. When you back test, it's important to actually collect real data. It's a good thing that you asked that question because now I didn't realize that this is something that people don't actually know how to do. But now I do realize that most people when they back test, they just go in and they back test and they're just trying to win. You know what I'm saying? When you back test, you got to collect real data and you got to be really back testing with the intentions of improving your trading plan. So I'll make a YouTube video on exactly how I back test. But yeah, I just learned through trial and error. So this did not close above, so we're waiting for another candle. Still didn't close above. Still didn't close above. All right, here we go. We got to buy. We are on TP3 now. So the $400 in profit, we just add that to the SL. Gives us a higher chance of winning. All right, it's TP smash. So we would now be 3-0. And we would be up $600. Keep in mind, once we hit 1,000, that is an official winning trading day. And if I was trading live, I would lock my account out. But since we're back testing, if I hit 1,000, I'm going to keep trading just to see how long of a win streak I can go on. Because I might be cutting myself short only going for 1,000. So let's, matter of fact, hold on. Because I see something that I missed. Whenever I'm taking a trade, right? If the candle, hold on, I'll wait so the zone can actually form so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, we are currently already in a trade, but another zone has formed right here. So if price is to break out this zone, in that same candle close and hit TP. So if price breaks out this zone and hits TP at the same time, that is valid for another entry. So let's see if this can give us a good example of that. Okay, it did. So you see the candle broke out this zone and hit TP as well. So this would actually give us enough time to enter for another buy off the second zone that had formed while we was in that trade. So this is actually our fourth setup of the day. This would be the fourth setup of Monday, and I would be on TP4 because the whole $600 that we've made, we just add that to SL, so it gives us an even higher chance to win the next trade. This is why I'm able to string together long win streaks. So this would be trade number 4 of the day, and that would be TP smash. So we would be 4-0, and we would be up $800. All right, let's see if we can get another setup. All right, here goes the second setup. I mean, the fifth setup of the day. Keep in mind, we're getting these setups pretty quick. We started trading at 3 a.m. It's now 4:18. So this is a pretty smooth day. Place the zone. Wait for it to break above or below. Wait for it not. I misspoke. We don't wait for it to break above or below. We wait for it to close above or below. As soon as it closes above or below, that's when we enter the trade. So as you can see, this candle did close above. We are now at TP5. This is how my normal trading day goes. After our TP5 trade, that's when I lock my account out with $1,000 profit, and I move on with my day. But like I said, since we're back testing, I'm just gonna keep going until we lose, just so y'all can see the power of this, of managing risk this way, and the power of the strategy. But let's see if this trade wins first of all. And as I say that, we get a deep pullback. But this is why we and this is the downfall. The only downfall of this of managing risk this way is that, say, last trade of the day, you're going for your 5th trade in a row. You're going for 5 in a row. So you added all $800 of your profit to your SL to give you a higher chance of winning. If you do lose this trade, you just wiped out all of your profits, and you're gonna be pretty mad. But the odds of you losing are extremely low, so you have to just be prepared to take that L if that happens. But let's play it out to see if we win or lose. Getting some nice consolidation. All right, TP smash. So we would be 5-0, and we would have made $1,000 on the day. Now, I don't like trading into New York session. Usually I stop at around 6-7 max, but like I said, since we're back testing, we're gonna keep going until we get a loss. And y'all will see that just the more and more we go, is the less likely it is we lose. So this is about to be trade number 6, going for 6-0. This is just Monday. We're gonna back test the entire week. So this is Monday. After we take our first L, I'll move on to Tuesday. So we're just waiting for another zone to form. Boom, we got the zone. I like to make sure that I'm hopping in on I like to make sure that I'm marking my zone out exactly when it gets formed. So the zone got formed right here. Boom. We're waiting for a close above or below. It's not giving it to us yet. Still hasn't gave it to us. Still no close below. All right, here we go. We got the close below. By the way, this is not a close below. It opened below the zone, but it did not close below, so that does not count. All right, so we are now at I don't even have a template for TP6 because I always stop at TP5. But essentially, all you have to do is add 20 ticks to your SL. So we are now at 150. This is for 6-0. TP smash, we'd be 6-0, and we'd be up $1,200. We're just gonna keep going. Nothing special, nothing too crazy. All right, we got another zone. Let me make sure that this is the first candle. Okay, it is. Here goes the zone right here. We got the close below. So as y'all can see, the higher your win streak goes, the less likely it is that you're gonna lose. So this is about to be TP number 7. Y'all know how big my SL is about to be. The odds are in my favor completely. So we are now at 170 pip SL. See, but as y'all can see, even though SL is big, there still is a chance that you can get a decent pullback and maybe even lose the trade. So that's why I like to cap myself at 1,000, because you can get greedy with this strategy and think that you can just go on an infinite win streak. It would be lovely to go on an infinite win streak, but odds are, especially once New York session starts approaching, you can get a decent pullback. And what's going to happen is, if you say you go on a 10 trade win streak and then you get greedy and go for trade number 11 and you lose that, you just lost $2,000 just because you thought you could trade forever. So make sure you have a cap. But I'm saying that, but this trade is not lost yet. So let's play out and see what happens. So boom. So we ended up taking the L on trade number 7. So we was able to go 6-0 on Monday before that trade hits, before that first L occurs. So that's still a winning day. My account would have been locked out at 5-0. I was just still trading just because we're back testing. We want to see how far we can go with it. So we're gonna move on to Tuesday at 3 a.m. and do the same thing. So Monday was a successful trading day. All right, 3 a.m. Same thing. We're going to wipe away this 6-0 win streak because it does not matter. It is a new trading day. All right, we got a zone right away. That's what we like to see. Keep in mind, the first trade of every session is going to be the hardest, because that's when your that's when your SL is the tightest. So y'all will see here when I pull the template out. All right, we get the close above. We place the buy entry. We use the TP1 template. This is how we always start our day off. We always start our day with the 20. Where did you learn how to trade and how long have you been doing it? I learned how to trade off of YouTube. And I've been trading for 3.5 years. Well, slightly over 3.5 years. It'll be 4 years in April. So yeah, we always start off our trading day with a 20 tick TP and a 50 tick SL, because every time I approach the markets, I come prepared to lose $500. I place 2 contract entries. So every time y'all see a 50 tick SL, that means I'm risking $500. I'm always prepared to lose $500 on any given trading day. That's why I don't mind having a negative RR, because at the end of the day, if I lose 500, that's cool with me. I was prepared to lose that. So first trade of the day is always 20 for 50. And let's see how it will play out. Keep in mind, Tuesday was a winning trading day. Monday was a winning trading day. We would have been up 1,000. So let's see what Tuesday would be. All right. So the trade number 1 did hit. So we would now be 1-0 for Tuesday, and we would be up $200. So as y'all know, our next setup, we'll add this 200 to our SL, and we will have a 70 pip SL for our next trade. We do not get greedy, and we do not extend our TP. We keep our TP nice and tight so we can get in and out. Pause. All right, here we go. I got fat finger. The zone is right here. Here goes the zone. We need a close above or below. We got the close. We hop in for the sell. We use the TP2 template. We now we now have a 70 tick SL because we just added the $200 profit from our last trade. TP smash. We are now 2-0 on the day. This is exactly what I do on my lives. I go live every day at 3 a.m. All right, so that was a successful trade. Now we're going for 3-0. Waiting for the next setup. Here goes the next zone. Didn't close below yet. Oh shit, I got a fat finger. All right, here we go. Close below. We enter right here. We're on trade number 3 of the day, so we use TP3 template. We are now at a 90 tick SL. TP smash. We're now 3-0 on the day. Up $600. And now we wait for the next setup. Oh shit. All right, we got the next zone. Here we go. Wait for the close above or below. Didn't close. Okay, we got a strong momentum candle closed above. So guess what? We're in for a buy. This is our 4th trade of the day. We hop in. We're getting a slight pullback. Let's see if we can make a comeback. Keep in mind if you see me on live, if I start off the live stream trading NQ with intentions of going 5-0, say in the middle of the win streak, I take a L, I leave NQ and I go to gold and I start the streak over and I try to go 5-0 on gold. That's how I operate. All right, so this will be TP smash again. 4-0. $800. Let's just keep going. All right, we got another zone. All right, we got another close above. Hop in for the buy. We are now at TP5. TP smash. And that would be another winning trading day. But since we're back testing, we're just going to keep going until we take a loss. That on Monday trading day, we ended up taking the L on our 7th trade. So let's see if we can get past that on Tuesday. So for me, it's been 3 months since I started learning trading, and I'm studying from the TGR bootcamp. Especially, would you say that it's good enough to be profitable? I don't. I don't keep up with TJR. I don't know how he trades or what encompasses his bootcamp. But from personal experience, usually everybody's strategy works to a certain extent. It's just a matter of can you um, can you stick to it? You're only 3 months in, so I imagine that after you take a L, you probably switch strategies all the time, doing some whole goofy shit. Uh, but that's just what all beginners do. Um, you just got to find a strategy that works for you and one that you can consistently do on a day in and day out basis without error. So let's see if we can get past the 6 trade win streak that we went on Monday. All right, here goes the zone. When I was coming up in trading, TJ, I know who he is because some other people have came in my chat and mentioned him, and I've seen him on a couple of like Instagram reels, but like when I was coming up, he wasn't a thing. So I don't know how he trades at all. When I was coming up, I was watching Doyle Exchange. But let's keep going. All right, so this did close below, so we are looking for a sale. This is our 6th trade of the day. So like I said before, anytime I'm trading live, 5 wins in a row is my max, and then I lock my account out. But since we're back testing, I have to manually adjust my SL plus 20 ticks. So we would now be at 150 tick SL. All right, that'd be TP smash. So we would now be 6-0, up $1,200, and we're just gonna keep going. All right, here we go. We have another zone. Keep in mind when you're trading this strategy live, it's good to not get greedy and start thinking that you're about to go on a 20 trade win streak. Yes, it's possible, but the pain of taking an L while you're up 15, like say you go on a 15 trade win streak, and in your head you're like, oh, no, I'm trying to go for 20. So, and then you end up taking an L on that 16th trade, and you was up damn near $2,000. You could have just called it a day right there. That's gonna hurt you, bro. And you're probably gonna go on tilt, and you're probably gonna start revenge trading, and you're probably gonna blow your account. So always have an exact profit amount or an exact win streak that you don't go past. For me personally, it's 5. For you, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. But for me, I go for 5 in a row and I'm done. But this is for trade number 7. Trade number 7 is where we lost on Monday. Let's see if we can get past it on Tuesday. For some of y'all who are, this is my first, like this is for some of y'all who this is the first time you came across my channel. I do live stream every day at 3 a.m. You can go to some of my past live streams and see me doing this exact same thing live. This is not just some back test strat. I do trade this exact strategy live. So this is trade number 7 right here. We would be at a 170 tick SL. Odds of losing are extremely low, but they're still possible. And TP smash. So we would now be up 7-0, and we would be up $1,400. Let's wait for another setup. There goes the zone right here. No, I've been funded multiple times. with multiple prop firms. So here goes another zone. Here goes a buy opportunity. We are at TP number 8, so it's 190 tick SL. As you can see, once you get to win streaks, once you get to about win streak number 8, your SL damn near isn't even on the screen anymore. But this is that's TP smash right there. So that's 8 no. EP up 1600. Let's wait for another setup. All right, here goes another setup right here. We got another buy opportunity. This is for 9 in a row, so I think we're at 210, 210 tick SL. TP smash again. We're 9 and 0. Up 1800. Topstep is the best. Topstep is the best prop firm because a lot of other prop firms don't even let you trade this way. Some prop firms have FAQs and rules that say that your risk reward can't be negative, which is just a way to stop other people from making money because they know negative RRs is the cheat code to making money in this game. But a lot of prop firms don't allow you to trade like this, but Topstep does. That's why I prefer Topstep. Quick little side note, my website is now developed, so link to my website in the chat. I don't have anything for sale on there other than my full in-depth trading plan. So that's just for $10. So that's something you're interested in. Check it out. Other than that, sorry, join late. Can you go over the strategy? Yeah, sure. I'll explain it with this next trade. So let's wait for the next setup and I'll tell you. Okay. So the strategy entails, let me get a drink of my water. So basically we come to the market. We come to the market at 3 a.m. We've already been back testing today, so obviously it's not 3 a.m. Right now, but we come to the market at 3 a.m. We have our consolidation zone live indicator put on. Every time a zone forms, we draw a rectangle around it. We identify it. The premise of the strategy is once a 1-minute candle closes below the zone, we hop in for a sell. And once it closes above the zone, we hop in for a buy. So let's see what happens. Okay. You missed the beginning, so you didn't get to see how we got to having such a big SL. But if this was trade number 1, we'd place a sell right here. We'd use our TP template, and we would click TP number 1. TP number 1 of the day is always 20 tick TP, 50 tick SL. If this trade was to hit, let's see if it hits. I don't know yet. Okay, so this trade did hit. So since this trade hit, we would wait for another zone, and we would take the 20 ticks that we just gained, and we would add it to our SL. So our next trade would be we would click the TP, we click our TP template again, and we would click TP2, and we would add those 20 ticks to our SL. So now for trade number 2 of the day, we would have a 70 tick SL, which gives us an even higher chance of winning than our first trade. If that trade hits, again, we click TP3. If that trade hits, we click TP4. If that trade hits, we click TP5. And you just keep going on and on forever until, you finally get some crazy volume push that takes you out. So as of right now, we're back testing and we were 9-0, but this trade just hit. So now we are actually 10-0, and we be up $2,000. Simple enough. So let's wait for, and as you can see, once you get, basically. So as you can see, once you get to a high enough win streak, the odds of you losing are actually slim to none. The only tough part is actually getting up there. You know what I'm saying? But that's also not really that tough either. But y'all only see me going 10-0 and 15-0, 20-0 because I'm back testing. If I was trading live, I have a cap. I cap myself at $1,000 a day, which is 5-0. Because what's gonna happen is, maybe I'm cutting myself short. You could say I'm cutting myself short, but I'm content with making 1,000 a day. So after I go 5-0, I just lock my account out. If y'all want to go 10-0 or 12-0, 15-0, then be my guest. But just know, yes, exactly. So yeah, that's where I was getting at. So if y'all want to keep going and try to go for a 20 trade win streak, be my guest. But just know you're risking all your profits with every trade. So if you get greedy and you go on a 10 trade win streak, you go up $2,000, and then you say, let me take one more trade, and that 11th trade loses, you just lost all of your money for the day. You see what I'm saying? So the only way you can mess the strategy up is by greed. Greed is the only way you can mess the strategy up. You have to have a set win streak that you're able to hit and that you're content with. So like I said, for me, I go 5-0 and then I stop for the day. I know full well I could go 10-0 if I wanted to, or 12-0, or sometimes even 20-0. But you don't want to get put in a position where you get a high win streak, you get greedy, you take a L, that L wipes out all those profits. Now you go on tilt and you start revenge trading. And then you blow your account. That's how the cycle goes. That's what people come to me and say that they did. They got this high win streak, but they didn't stop. And they ended up taking a loss when they thought, because it's easy to believe when you put this big SL on the screen that you can't lose, but you still can lose. You still can 100% lose, and it will hurt that much more knowing that you was just on this 10 trade win streak and you got greedy and took an L. So that's pretty much the only way you can mess the strategy up. But like I said, for the sake of back testing, I'm going to keep going until I lose. But when I'm trading live, I only go for 5 in a row. So yeah, we're currently 10-0. I honestly forgot what SL we're at. I gotta look at the this is because 130 is TP5. So if we're on trade number 11, yeah, let's see. If we're on trade number 11, that means we're at what 260? That's what I want to say. Hold on, I gotta pull a calculator up. No, we're at 280. So we're at a 280 tick SL for this next trade. And we are up and we are currently up $2,000. So if y'all wanted to, y'all could try to, Topstep does a consistency rule, so you can't pass in one day, but I know there's certain prop firms where you could use this strategy and try to pass in one day. All right, we got a sell. There's no point in even using the templates anymore. It doesn't go that high. So 20 tick TP with a 280 tick SL. This is for 11-0, and as y'all can see, this is literally the what the position looks like. Sorry, I'm late to the chat. Yeah, this is Trading View bar. This is Trading View bar replay. You gotta pay like $15 to get it. The platform, the platform is free, but bar replay you gotta pay $15. Does your Trading View tell you automatically every time when your setup gets made, or I'm tripping? Yes, because I have the indicator on. The indicator is called Consolidation Zones Live. I'll show y'all real quick how to pull it up. Once again, hold on, just because I know y'all gonna be asking me a million trillion questions, and although I will answer all your questions live, it'll make it a lot easier if y'all just go to my website. I have my full in-depth trading plan, literally for $10. As y'all can see, the trading plan includes literally everything: the strategy, risk management, entry, exit rules, time frames, indicators, psychology, and it even has some picture examples of the exact setups that I take and look for. But other than that, I'll just go ahead and show y'all. But this is how you pull up the indicator. All you got to do is click indicators at the top of the screen, search consolidation zones. Okay, somebody just ordered the trading plan. All I need to do is see the email. Okay, hold on real quick. I'm about to send the trading plan over. The email, the trading plan is going to get sent to the email that you used when you bought it. All right, the PDF file just got sent. Appreciate you for making it easier for me. All right. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, you can use this strategy on any time frame. I trade the 1 minute time frame because I like to get in and out my trades quickly. But I know I have some quote unquote students. I'm not taking students right now, but I have people in my Discord community that trade the strategy on the 5 minute time frame. I also use this strategy on NASDAQ and gold. So you can use it on multiple pairs if you want to. But yeah, let me show you how to the indicator is called Consolidation Zones Live. But what you want to do, you want to make sure that the author of the script is Lonesome the Blue. This is the author of the script. You have to use this specific indicator because there's other consolidation zones indicators that don't work. There's other consolidation zone indicators that don't work as good. But damn, I actually just completely lost. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, I thought my was I sharing the right screen just then? This is I don't think I was sharing the right screen. I don't think y'all just saw me pull the indicator up. But the indicators, you gotta go click the top, click search up consolidation zone. I spelled it wrong. Consolidation zone. And you have to make sure you click the one that says Lonesome the Blue. It has to say Lonesome the Blue. It has to say Lonesome the Blue. That's how you know you got the right indicator. All right. Okay, so this is trade number 11. We are going for 11 and 0. This is for those of you who just joined. This is only the second day of back testing. So this is Tuesday. Monday we went 6 and 0, and then on that seventh trade we took a loss. Tuesday we are now 10 and 0, going for 11 and 0. I personally enter off order block plus liquidity sweep plus break of structure. Could I put that so he doesn't? Could I put that so it does it automatically? It'll mark out the zone. It'll mark the zone for you automatically. But I will say there's the only slight fall. The reason why y'all see me do rectangles once the zone forms, I like to do my rectangles exactly when the zone forms because if a candle is to touch the zone will start moving up. So right when you see the zone, you want to put a rectangle around it to ensure that you're getting the earliest entry possible. So yeah, this is trade number 11. Let's see if it plays out. But obviously, the odds are in our favor. Okay, TP smash. The highest win streak I've ever been on is a 21 win streak, and on the 22nd win streak, it was a New York news event, and it just completely shattered my big ass SL. That's what I mean by getting greedy. All right, so let's go trade number 12. All right, we got the zone. Let me know if y'all would rather see me reset the win streak or just keep going because it can get redundant. It can start to get redundant. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm placing these big ass SLs. It's not likely I'm gonna lose. But you know, it's just a back testing session, you know. So whatever y'all want to see, it doesn't really matter. But this is trade number 12, and I think we're at like a 250 tick SL. So keep in mind, every time we add to our position, like this position right here, we're up $2,000, but this position will wipe us out if we lose. That's the risk that we take. If we lose this, all of our money will be gone. We got 8 people in here. Let's get at least 4 likes. So 2 more likes. 2 more likes. Okay, TP smash hit on first candle. We are now 12 and 0. So and then keep in mind, I got this big SL, but most of the time I don't even need it. You know what I'm saying? We don't use a big SL because we're taking sloppy entries. It's just a safety measure at the end of the day. So let's wait for another setup. This is for number 13. All right, here goes the zone. Oh shit, here we go. closed outside of the zone right here. Place the sell. What are we at? 20, 270, 270, I think. We don't get greedy. We do not move our TPs. It'll be very tempting for y'all to think that since we got this big SL, y'all can just move your TP around. I don't recommend that. Keep your keep your TP consistent. Only move your SL. Keep your TP consistent because you want quick wins. You're trying to get in and out. You just want your win and you want to wait for the next zone. All you have to do is be patient enough to wait for zones and be disciplined enough to not move your TP. And don't revenge trade if you take a L. All right, looks like we got a decent pullback on this time. And keep in mind, another safety measure. Keep in mind, if price pulls back, it's pulling right back into that same consolidation zone that it just broke out. So that consolidation zone is really another line of defense for your SL. You see what I'm saying? So price has to literally break through the consolidation zone just to even get close to your SL. That's why the odds of you losing is so low. But let's play it out. Okay, TP smash. 13-0. Another purchase for the shout out Crypto Court just joined. Crypto Kurt just joined the Discord. I'll send the PDF file over to your email right now. Shout out Hus154 just joined the Discord. I will be going live on my Topstep Funded Monday morning at 3 a.m. This is my first live of 2025. I'm excited. My goal for this year is longevity with my accounts. In the past, I'd get like one payout and then I'd end up blowing it. But this year, I'm going for longevity. And the reason my accounts will get blown is because for those of you that know about Topstep, after you take a withdrawal, your drawdown is only however much left. Your drawdown is however much profit you have left in your account. I'm from Dallas, Texas. Okay, so after getting to a high win streak, would it be better to start going half of your SL so you don't end up losing your whole trading day? Yeah, you could. That's smart too, because like we're on trade 13 and my SL is just so huge. Does it really need to be that big? You could cut it down in half. That's actually very smart. I might add that to my trading plan because and keep in mind, this trading plan is not it's not concrete. It's not written in stone. I still tweak my I just sent it. I sent it to you, Hussein or Hassan, or check your email. I sent it to the email that you purchased it from. Let me know if you received it or not. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so like I was saying, this trading plan is not set in stone. I'm still making minor tweaks to it every, when I see no trading plan should be set in stone because there's always something that you can improve to get better, or like if market conditions change, you should be able to tweak what you can. So, uh, oh, what up, Smell? I didn't even realize that was you. What up? What up? What up? So yeah, once you get to a high enough win streak, like I might take that with me into going into my live. Like once I hit trade number 5, instead of um instead of calling it a day, I might just I might keep going, except cut my SL in half. Just so if I lose, I'll still be up 500 for the day. That's a good tip. That's a good tip. Good tip. All right, so that was trade number 13. We're gonna keep going. So actually, I'll go ahead and start doing that right here. So, because the SL, I mean, I literally don't even know what we're at right now. So instead of just going up and up, instead of just going up, because I think we would be like at a 300 tick SL, I might cap the SL at like, now keep in mind, y'all can do whatever y'all want. If y'all want to just keep going up and up, y'all can. But keep in mind, if y'all keep doing it the way that I've been showing you, every single trade, all your profits is at risk. So say I'm up 2,400, I'll risk half of that, which would be 12. So a $1,200 SL would be, I want to say, once, what is that? What's $1,200 SL? Because TP5, $1,200 SL, that would be 120. I believe a $1,200 SL with 2 contracts is 120. So I'll cap my SL at 150. 150 tick SL is gonna be my cap, and that's about $1,500. So even if I was to lose a trade, I'd still be up damn near half. I'd still be up damn near $1,000. So that's pretty good. I'm Italian, but I lived last year very close to San Antonio, Texas. So right now it's 6:38 in Dallas, right? No, it's 5:40 right now. So when I go live, yeah, keep in mind it's 3 a.m. Central Time. So if you're Eastern, it'll be 4. And I'm not sure where it is in Italy. What time it is in Italy? It's probably something completely different. But yeah, here we go. We're gonna go. This is for trade number 14. I'm not gonna max out my SL because it really is no point. If a trade goes against me 150 ticks, I mean, let's just go ahead and call that a L right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, here we go right there. So here goes the entry. Uh like I could really cap it. I could just really cap it at my TP5 since we already got the template set and that's already adjusted. So actually I'm just gonna, like I said, y'all seen, if you want to, you can extend it forever. But I'm gonna cap mine at 150, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and make my template so I know. I'm gonna go ahead and make my template so I know that this is my cap. I'm gonna call it SL cap. So we're gonna cap the SL at 150 just because there's no point in just risking everything, no point. So here we go. TP smash, we'd be 14-0, and we'd be up 2,600. Let's just keep going. And I'm also thinking about on my live, I might just go one contract. Y'all know I usually do two contract entries and I risk 1,000 a day. But since I'm so focused on longevity with these funded accounts, I'm gonna drop my contract size to one, and my max daily loss is gonna be 500 for my funded accounts. But I will buy another combine, and I'll keep that the same as usual. Shout out Barton, just joined the Discord. No, I didn't adjust the indicator. That's the same. It's the same. It's just base indicator, consolidation zone live 10 and 5. If your indicator looks different than mine, it's because um, you chose the wrong one. So just in case, I'll go ahead and show everybody. I favorited it. So you want to search up consolidation zones. You want to make sure you're using the indicator made by Lonesome. So consolidation, and you want to make sure it's Lonesome. It's the one that has 6,700 downloads. So yeah. This, and keep in mind, I usually don't trade going into New York session, but it's literally 8:20 already and we're still going. So it looks like London session is good. It looks like this strategy does still work pretty good during New York as well. All right, we got a sell opportunity. We already I think I gotta do the same template again for the sales. We're gonna cap our SL at 150. SL cap. All right, we're in right here. TP smash. We are now 15 and 0. And like I said before, we have a big SL, but most of the time we don't even need it. This is nothing. Like this was only like a 20 pip pullback. But we have it just in case though. Just in case. All right, New York has started. So this is where it gets a little dangerous for all my people who like to trade New York session. This is where it gets a little dangerous because y'all see the difference in size in these candles. So that SL that looks so big during London session won't be so big during New York. So let's see how we perform. Okay, here we go. We got the close above. SL cap. Even when you just look at it like this, like the SL. Oh my goodness, my camera keeps fucking cutting out. Thanks for telling me. Let's see. All right, I'm back. All right, here we go. So yeah, these the candles during New York is completely different. So I'm assuming you're a full-time day trader or you have another job as well. Yeah, right now I'm a full-time day trader. I have nothing against a job though. I'm actually looking to get one because since I trade London session, I literally be done trading at like 7 at the latest, and I spend the rest of my day just like doing YouTube or managing the Discord or something like that. Like I really be dead ass bored. I literally don't be having anything to do. So I might get a little daytime job just to keep, because what you want to do, it's good that Topstep lets me lock my account out, but a major problem that I know a lot of y'all probably face is boredom. And boredom will lead to you opening up your charts when you're not supposed to open up your charts. So like if you're just sitting around bored all day, it's gonna be very hard for you to just not open up your charts during a session that you don't trade and start trying to trade that session, you know? So if I can probably find me a little job that fits a good my schedule, because trading does come first. So I'm not taking no job that uh you know messes my trading schedule up. But yeah, today, I mean 2025, I'm trying to really run it up this year. Like really save. Like I had a real bad problem saving money. Like I didn't save any money. So yeah, 2025 I'm focused on just saving and stacking and traveling, really trying to get off the ground for real this year. But yeah, yeah, I hit the gym. I hit the gym a lot. But you can only hit the gym so much. You can only hit the gym so much, man. And then most of the time I just work out from home. So yeah, let's keep it going. We're at 15-0. I'm damn near ready to lose. But as y'all can see, the candle sizes of New York make this SL not look as big as it used to. So let's see what happens. Bro, literally, I just said it. Two candles. Literally two candles during New York session. This is why I trade. This is why I trade London, bro. I'm telling y'all right now, if y'all do this strategy with New York, okay, at least if you're gonna trade New York, don't trade New York open. Start trading at like 10 a.m. when the volume dies down. Because like I said, literally your SL, you could have a 150 tick SL, bro, and it can get literally hit in two candles. 2 minutes, it pushed that. Y'all seen how it was just moving during London. As soon as New York started, in 2 minutes, that SL got smashed. And this is another reason why I say do not get greedy. Like if like this could easily, we're back testing, but this could easily happen to y'all while y'all are trading live. You could easily go on a 15 trade win streak and easily think that you're just about to be winning forever, and then just like that, you done lost. But I mean, like we good thing we made that adjustment earlier, because this is only a $1,500 loss. So that we would still be sitting at $1,300 profit for the day regardless. But this just goes to show you how quickly it can turn on you if you're trying to trade this strategy during New York Open. Your big SL won't matter. I can tell you that right now. But we finally did take, and then not to mention, even if we would have had a 200, a 300 pip SL, it still would have got hit. So yeah, we 100% would have just lost all of our money for no reason. Exactly. Might as well just stop. So this was a good example of a high winning day. Obviously, every day you're not going to be able to go on a 15 trade win streak. So this was only Tuesday. For those of you who joined late, we back tested Monday. I went 6-0, lost on the 7th trade. Tuesday we just went 15-0, lost on the 16th trade. So we're gonna see what Wednesday looks like. Starting fresh. This doesn't matter anymore. It's a whole new day. I start at 3 a.m. Oh my goodness. I started at 3 a.m. So I said Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday was New Year's. So no Wednesday trades. So we just skipping straight to Thursday. Yeah, man. Oh well, no, I didn't stop completely, but what I'm doing is I'm going through the whole week, back testing regularly with my regular strategy, seeing what my P&L is and my win streak regularly, and then I'm gonna go back and do the same days over, doing implementing the reversal strategy. But so far, no reversal been working pretty good. Monday, Monday we went on a 6 trade win streak, and then we lost on the 7th one. And then Tuesday, we just went on a 15 trade win streak and lost on the 16th trade. So far, and this isn't when we was back testing earlier, that was like December 12th. So that was really a bad time frame to use for back testing, because I promise you the markets now is not moving anything like it was moving back in December 15th and shit. Like we're on a completely different time now. That was holiday season. Banks was out the markets. We're on some it's moving completely different now. So that really wasn't the best example I was given earlier. But yeah, we're on Thursday now, and we're still getting to it. So we're gonna wait. So for those of you who don't know, when I come to the markets, I don't take what's your P&L for December, if you can say it. My only example I can give for my P&L during December is my Topstep account that I passed, but the stats for that account is gone. But I would say my win rate during December, my win rate for the account was pretty good, but my win rate for the entire December, it was probably like my P&L, I don't know, but because I really just go by win rate, my win rate was probably like 70-75%. Which if you're doing this strategy, that's not going to be good enough. A 70-75% win rate isn't good enough. You need to be like 80 and above. Yeah. But because I really didn't trade that much in December, honestly. I had two accounts. I only had two accounts in December. I blew one just because I did some dumb shit, and then I passed the second one. But yeah, let's keep going. Oh shit. Okay, so yeah, let's wait. Like I was saying, I don't use the zone. If I come to the charts and there's already a zone there, I don't use it. I wait for a new one to be formed. So we are starting off back at square one, 0-0. We will be using TP1 for our first trade of the day. Oh shit. But Brandon, the reversal strategy doesn't look bad. I just don't like how I feel like it can start to get a little confusing. You have to work a lot harder. But for people that because there's a lot of people that really want me to cut my L short, I would recommend them start taking the reversal trades. Me, just the way I'm wired, I'm probably just gonna stick to it's either gonna hit TP or it's gonna hit SL. All right. All right, we got a sell opportunity. This is a fresh day. TP1. And also for those of you who missed it, I did implement a SL cap, because eventually you can go on a win streak so big to where you just be kind of wasting money. So that's what I'm doing. So instead of reversing trades, I implemented a SL cap. So like if I go on a long win streak, even if I go on a long win streak, there's going to be a certain point to where I stop adding my profits onto it, because it's like the SL is already big enough. There's not even, it wouldn't even be any point into adding more profits onto it. So my SL cap is 1,500. Is $150. 150 tick SL. That's gonna be my SL cap. So first trade of Thursday, y'all know how we started off. TP, always go TP1 template, 20 tick TP, 50 tick SL, and we're gonna see how it plays out. Okay, so first trade of the day. So this is a learning session. Whenever I take a L on the first trade, right, this would be if I was trading live, this would be a $500 L. I have $1,000 cap. I have $1,000 loss cap. So if this happened live, I would switch to gold. I would just go straight. I'd say, okay, Nas isn't hitting. I'd go straight to gold. What is this? Um, yeah. So typically, if I lose my first trade of the day, I'll take that $500 L on the chin, and I'll go to gold, and I'll try to go 5-0 on gold. But since we're back testing, I'll just say since we're back testing, I'm just gonna say Thursday was just a L day, and we're just gonna move to Friday. Fuck it. So yeah, Thursday would have been an L day because after I go through Friday, probably after I go through Friday, I'll switch to gold and we'll back test gold. And then after we get through the week of gold, I'll just go ahead and wrap up the live. Uh, we've been on this live for an hour and 22 minutes, but we was on another live before that crashed. So I've been on live for a good little minute. So yeah, we're just gonna say Thursday was a losing trading day. You know, like I said before, your first trade of the day is the trade that you're most likely to lose because your SL is the tightest. So when you take that L, it's important to not start revenge trading. Um, you're allowed to trade again, but typically, like I said, when I lose, I switch pairs. I won't try to get that money back on the same pair I just lost. I like to start completely fresh. So we're gonna move to Friday, and after we complete Friday, we'll go through the same week, except we'll do it on gold because those are the only two pairs that I trade. Although the strategy does work on shit, I want to say all of them. I would say all of them, but I haven't tested it on all of them. But I'm pretty sure it works on whatever you trade. Okay, so let's see if Friday can get us some of those profits back that we lost Thursday. Okay, oh shit. Okay, here we go. We got the zone right here. We get the close above TP1. If we can get through TP1, it starts like a little snowball effect, and it should get easier and easier from there. But you got to hit the first trade in order to get the ball rolling. All right, that's TP smash. But like I always like to tell y'all, when we're back testing, when TP gets hit, something like when TP gets hit like this, there's really no guarantee that in the live market that you actually got filled. So when we're back testing, I like it to actually like clearly bust through TP because I've gotten one pip. I've gotten one pip rejected. I've gotten like you could have sworn it hit TP and y'all have seen it firsthand. So we're getting a little pullback. We'll just see what happens. See, and then it actually lost. See, this is the only thing. This is the only thing where it comes to back testing. It says that my TP got hit, so I could say that boom, it was a win. But I know, if I was trading live markets, there's no guarantee that they actually filled that position. So, mm, it could that this trade could go either way. You know what I'm saying? This trade could go either way. I really don't know if this would have been a win or a loss, but regardless, we're just gonna go ahead and switch to gold because we're just gonna switch to gold and we're just gonna say those two last days. Yeah, like I wouldn't even really count it. I don't like counting. I don't like if it's indecisive, I'm gonna lean towards the loss because I want the live markets to be as accurate as possible. So if we count the days up, Monday, uh we went 6-0 before the loss. Tuesday we went 15-0 before the loss, and then Wednesday was a bank holiday. Thursday we lost on the first trade. Friday we lost on the first trade. So if I was trading live, um, Monday would have been $1,000 day. Tuesday would have been $1,000 day. Wednesday I would have lost 500. Actually, we're gonna see what my actual P&L would be because we're about to switch to gold right now. So Wednesday and so Thursday and Friday, we're gonna see what my actual P&L would be because after these first L's, I would just switch to gold. So let's go ahead and see what gold is talking about, and then we're going ahead and wrap up this strategy service Saturday live. So we're gonna go ahead and restart the week. Monday, 3 a.m. Switch to the 1 minute time frame. And here we go. Like I said, I don't like taking zones that's already been formed at the beginning of the session. Do I trade options? Nah, I haven't even looked into options. I've only traded the only things I've ever traded is crypto, FX, and futures. So I don't know. I really don't know too much about options, but if it got candles, if it got candles, it's all the same at the end of the day. It's just different ways of going about it. How do funded accounts work? They take a percentage of your profit. Uh, Topstep doesn't take a percentage. Thankfully, some of them do, but Topstep, the way Topstep does it is once you're eligible for a payout, right? Okay. First of all, to get eligible for a payout with Topstep, you have to have 5 winning days of $200. They do not have to be in a row. You just 200. So 5 days, you have to end the day with a positive P&L of $200. After those 5 days is complete, you will be eligible to take out 50% of your profits. You'll get 100% of that 50%, but they'll only let you take out 50%. So then, say for example, you go up. Say for example, you get funded, and Monday through Friday, you do this strategy right, and you hit one trade for $200 every day. So 5 days straight, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. At the end of the week, you'll have a P&L of $1,000. They will let you take a withdrawal of 500, right? But the 500 that you leave in will be that will be all the drawdown that you have in the account. So that's how I would blow my accounts. I would take that $1,000 payout, and I would only leave $500 worth of drawdown in my account because I was just so eager to get paid. And then you go to the markets, and then you take that first trade and you lose. So you only had $500 worth of drawdown. So once you take that first L, now your whole account is wiped out. You see what I'm saying? So before you take a payout, at least with Topstep, you want to make sure you got at least 3K, at least 3 to 4K. So when you take that 50% out, you still have your original 2K drawdown. That is the basics of it. Okay, so we're now on gold. Same concept, same thing. Nothing changes. Nothing changes besides the commodity. So here we go. Drink some water real quick. Oh wait, I said I wasn't even gonna take this zone. I'm tripping. So yeah, I like to see a new zone get formed once I come to the market. So I'll take this zone. Boom. Here we go. Same concept. We get the buy opportunity. The first trade is always not. I mean, I usually win my first trade, but in risk reward terms, this will be the toughest trade of the day. So let's see what happens. TP smash. We are now up $200, and we'd be moving on to TP2. Okay, so let's wait for another zone. All right, I think the stream just crashed for a little bit, but I'm back now. We lost like 5 viewers. Think we good now though. Think we good. All right, so y'all here, somebody type something in the chat. I bet. Yeah, after we after we get through this week on gold, answer a few questions, that we're gonna have wrap up this strategy service Saturday live. All right, what up, Jay? What up, Eli? I'm gonna wait for a couple more people to get back in here. I think the stream just went down. If you haven't already, go ahead, drop a like on the stream. You know what I'm saying? Eli, finna join the Discord, man. I thought you low key already joined, man. Do I need to send another link? I'm finna send a link. All right. We getting some people back in here. Link to the Discord in the chat. Real quick for some people that might not have been in here earlier. My website has now been developed. Once I start taking on students and memberships and doing courses and one-on-one sessions, Zoom calls, all that, this will be where all that information is at. You know, as of right now, I don't have anything on here for sale besides my in-depth trading plan that I use every day. So if you're having questions about so if you're joining in late and you're having questions about like exactly what I'm doing, because I know it's probably something you ain't never seen before, I do have my trading plan on here for this week only for $10. Since this is the first week of my website being up, my full trading plan is literally on my website for $10. It's been a lot of people. There's been a couple people that done bought it just now on stream and just following along with me. So yeah, just go ahead putting that out there. Let's go ahead and wrap up this session with gold, and we can go ahead and go on about our day. All right, so are we 1-0? Are we 1-0 plus 200, or is this old? Did we win? Yeah, we sure did. Yeah, we won that gold trade. All right, so we're on trade number 2. I already got the zone marked out. Let's go ahead and see if we're gonna hit. All right, here we go. Shorts. We are on TP number 2 now. Should look big as hell. I guess because it's gold. All right, we're on TP2. Let's see if it plays out. TP2 smashed. We got a 70 pip SL, but let's be for real, we didn't even have damn near any drawdown at all. So we have big SLs, but we still always go for sniper entries. Just because we have a big SL doesn't mean we start getting sloppy with our entries. We still want snipes. So we are now 2-0. Let's keep it going. Just showing y'all that the strategy does work on multiple pairs. Indices, commodities, FX, doesn't matter. All right. All right, we got the close above. We hop in right here. We are now at TP3. Market. So we've been in this trade so far since 425. It's only been about 30 minutes, so pretty long trade. And as y'all know, if y'all know, for the people who's watched my breakdown videos, for the people who's watched my breakdown videos or been in my live, y'all know once a trade hits 30 minutes, I dead ass have a 0% win rate. I dead ass have a 0% win rate on trades that last longer than 30 minutes. So this trade is approaching the 30-minute mark. So odds are this is about to be a loser, but we will see. Okay, looks like we got bailed out. Looks like we got bailed out, but that was what up, Dev? What up, Dev? Yeah, man, we just doing we're not actually live trading. You know, it's Saturday, markets closed, so we just doing some practicing. Just on stream, getting some practice in. That's all this is. Gonna be wrapping this up in probably about 30 more minutes to an hour. Just getting some practice in. But this trade did hit. We got a decent pullback, but this trade did hit, so we're now 3-0. And we'd be up $600. Let's wait for the next setup. And for those of you who know how I like to trade, if there's ever a situation where, let me exit this out. If there's ever a situation where a zone forms, if there's ever a situation where a zone forms close to our take profit, if price pushes out the zone, hits TP, and then closes, we're going to enter on that same candle. So there's a chance that we enter on the same candle that hits TP. It happens more often than you think. So if price closes outside of the zone and hits TP, we will be in. Because I never hop in trades. I'm finna make this YouTube video. Let's go, man. That's what I'm talking about. Taking over YouTube 2025, bro. So if there's ever a situation where I never like to hop in two trades at the same time. So for me to hop in this consolidation zone that just formed, the candle that closes outside the zone must also hit TP at the same time for me to get in. So let's see if that's what ends up happening. Boom, just like that. TP smashed and then closes outside the zone. So basically what we would do here, we would just hop in again. We're not gonna miss a trade that we don't need to miss. You see what I'm saying? So we're gonna take this trade, and this will be TP4. We're on TP4. This is Monday. Boom, TP smash. This might be another example of one of those. See, this is another example of I don't know if we got filled or not. We want to see a clear push, like y'all know this probably didn't feel me for real in real time. So we need a clear push through TP. There we go. We got it. So just like that, 4-0. Plus 800. One more trade, and this will be a winning trading day. Like I said, y'all can start off with gold or y'all can start off with NQ. They both hit. It's all personal preference. Just getting a good study session in. Shout out to 8 people in the stream, man. Shout out 8 people in the stream on a Saturday. 8 people in the stream on a Saturday, man. Let's go. All right, let's wait for another zone to form. Okay. When I do start, and when I haven't settled out all the details and stuff like that, but when I do start taking on mentorships and doing one-on-one sessions, it'll be something similar to this, except it'll be a webinar that won't be hosted on YouTube. Like I only do these on Saturdays just because it's back testing days. But when I start taking on mentorships, we can start doing these, maybe 2-3 times a week, depending on what everybody's schedules is looking like. That's why I'm really not in any rush to start doing mentorships and stuff like that, because that's another, that's actual work. You know what I'm saying? I like going live and doing back testing and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna start taking on mentorships and stuff like that till I got all the details figured out. I got the time slots to where we can actually I can actually answer personal questions, because there's a lot of, because I can only on stream, I can only give y'all broad, general advice. But with a one-on-one, y'all can actually tell me what you're personally struggling with, and things of that nature. So this is for the 5th trade of the day. So if we was trading live, this would be the last trade of the day. So let's see, let's make it a good one. All right, zone is right here. Make that YouTube video a banger, Ladev. I will practice. Yep, gotta practice, bro. Gotta practice. You don't want to just show up to the markets, without proper planning. You gotta have a proper plan in place if you want to be successful in this game. Like I was saying before, you got to treat this like you're a professional athlete, man. You gotta practice. You gotta practice every day. You can't miss a day, because this is a competitive field. It's people trying to take your money. You going against me. If you hop in the market at the same time as me, I'm trying to take your money. Real shit. You see how I trade. The odds of you taking my money is slim. No, for real. But it is what it is. We done all lost a good amount of money, bro. We done all lost a good amount of money. Shout out Eli, just joined the Discord. Eli been saying he gonna join the Discord for 3 days now. All right. This is trade number 5, so we at TP5. Damn, big as hell. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we get the win. All right, we're getting a decent pullback. As y'all know, once we get towards 7:30, 8:30, New York session is going to start, and we're going to see those big candles. So I like to complete my win streak before New York. before New York comes in, because there's no telling. We got news events, we got banks opening, it's all types of stuff going on during New York session. So I like to get my trading out the way before then. And if, like I said before, if you are going to trade New York, I recommend you wait till at least like a 1 hour, at least 1 hour after open, bro. At least an hour after open. Like, do not be trying to trade before the news events even drop. You're just asking to lose money, unless you're into gambling. Anybody who trades New York open, just keep it real. You're a gambler. Just keep it real. You just like to gamble. I know it. You ain't gotta fake it, bro. You just like gambling, bro. Me, I like gambling too, but when it's time to trade, it's time to trade. So we're getting a pretty good pullback. And this is what I say. This and if for those who's been in the stream, y'all know my mental fatigue kicks in on the last trade of the day, because the last trade of the day is like, man, I just want to win so I can give myself a pat on the back and I can get up and go get something to eat. And it be stuff like this that always happens on the last trade of the day. So as y'all can see, we are 4-0. This is the fifth trade of the day. Our biggest SL of the day, which technically we should have our highest chance of winning, and we just get the deepest pullback of all time. So trade is not over. We're gonna see if it plays out. If it takes a L, we would be down 500 for the day. But you got to remember, I accept that risk. I'm prepared for that to happen if it does happen. If it does happen, I just lock my account out and that's it. I don't start revenge trading. I just take my L and that's how it is. But let's see if that's what happens. Like I said, don't think just because your SL is big that you can just trade forever and ever and ever. Markets will give you a L. Okay, it looks like we got bailed out. So gold is messing with us. Gold was messing with us. So we was able to complete the 5-0 win streak, made our 1,000 for the day, and then we lock our account out and move on to Tuesday. So successful. So Monday was successful. And so Monday was successful. And if I'm remembering NQ correctly, Monday was successful for NQ, and Monday was also successful for gold. So whether you traded gold or Nasdaq first, either way it go, on Monday you would have won if your max win streak is 5 like me. We've already been live streaming for a while, so I'm not just gonna keep trading until I lose. I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to Tuesday. So let's go Tuesday, 3 a.m. All right. We delete this because it's a new day. Old profits don't matter. And let's see if we can go 2 days in a row. All right. The reason why y'all see me go back in time after I see the zone form is because if you catch the zone late, by the time you caught it, it's not where it originally was. So like as you can see, a slight flaw in this indicator is if a candle is to push into the zone will move bigger. So this is where the original zone is, right? Off the next candle, if you was to place your rectangle late, you would think that this is where the consolidation zone is, but really it's right here. So make sure when you're trading this strategy that you're keeping an eye out and you want to place that zone as soon as you see it pop up, because it ensures that you're catching. It ensures that when you enter the trade, you're catching the beginning of the move. You're trying to get in like sniper entries. This is why we want sniper entries, because you're trying to get in as soon as possible. As soon as you get that close, that's when you need to be getting in. So that's why you see me do bar replay after a zone has already formed, because I already can tell that the zone moved. But this is where the original zone is. Boom. Try to get it as accurate as possible. All right, we got the close. This is trade number one. All right, here we go. See if we can win. Giving us a good fight. Let's see how long we've been in this trade. We got in at 3:12. It is now 3:52. So we're already at that 30-minute threshold. So odds are this trade will lose, but we're gonna play it out. Okay, we're getting bailed out. So we're getting some so it seems like last week I don't start the day off. I don't start the day off with gold. So these trades I didn't see these trades play out because instead of trading gold, I was trading NQ. So but it seems like on gold, yeah, gold. It seems like gold has a different formula when it comes to those 30-minute entries. Because we're getting damn near hour-long trades, and it still will end up coming back to TP. So that's good to know that I don't have to stress as much on gold as I do on Nas when a long trade happens. Because y'all seen when I have a 30-minute Nasdaq trade, it'll push down, come back up, and then push down again. It seems like gold will push up and then slowly make its way back to TP. Uh, NQ doesn't do that same thing. So was this first trade of the day? I believe this was the first trade of the day. So we'd be 1-0 for Tuesday. 1-0 so far on Tuesday. This was a very long trade though. We would have been in that trade for an hour and 30 minutes, man. Hour and 30-minute long trade. Uh you can't see it. You can't feel the emotions when you're back testing, but that would have been a lot of mental fatigue. You would have had to stay disciplined throughout this entire trade, making sure y'all don't close early, start moving SLs, start double popping. So you would have had to maintain a good amount of composure to hold this trade for an hour and 30 minutes. At least if you have a scalper mindset like me. If you're an intraday trader, then holding for an hour and 30 minutes is no problem for you. All right. Let's go. Let's wait. Let's see if we can get a second setup. Oh, shoot. I made my screen full screen. I wasn't trying to. All right. Why does my screen look like that? Hold on. My screen is like hella zoomed in for some reason. Yeah. Yeah. Most people, distract themselves during the trade so they don't gotta worry about it. But I just be chilling, talking to y'all on stream, so I be chilling. I be chilling. All right. Let's see. Let's go for trade number two. My hold on, cause my y'all can't tell, but right now my screen is kind of super. I'm trying to fix it real quick. I don't know why this happened. Oh, okay, there you go. All right, I got it. Bro, super rough. Screen is back. I got y'all. All right, it should be back. Yeah, that NQ trade was rough, man. Mm-mm. All right, trade number 2. Here we go. Oh, sure. All right, here we go. TP2. Man, these are some long gold trades, bro. Long gold trades. It's been over an hour. This is crazy. This is only trade number 2. This would have been a crazy live stream, bro. This would have been a crazy live stream if I had to live stream this trade that's going on right now. It's been almost 2 hours. This is a good back test session, man. Good back test session. Collecting data. Finna be over. After I complete this week on gold, we don't switch to gold now, so we're on Tuesday. After I get through Friday, I'll go ahead and wrap this up. But yeah, this has been a crazy long trade. We got in this trade at 450. It's literally 650. It's been 2 hours. We done spent 2 hours in this trade just to lose. That's tough. That is tough. So Tuesday would have been a losing day, and we would have lost 500. We would have been down 500 on the day. So far on NQ, Monday was a winner. Tuesday was a winner. Wednesday was New Year's Eve. Thursday was the loser. Friday was the loser. So far on gold, Monday was a winner. Tuesday was a loser. So two winning days on NQ, and so far it's been one winning day on gold. So we're gonna go ahead and fast forward to Wednesday. Oh well, we're gonna skip Wednesday. We're gonna go straight to Thursday. Usually Wednesdays are profitable days, by the way, but there's no telling. All right, here we go. Start over. All right, fresh off. Oh wait. Yeah, I know I don't like to take the first zone. I know I don't like to take the first zone. I gotta wait for a new zone to form. That trade would have hit though. That trade would have hit, but y'all know I don't like to take the first zone. Here we go. All right, first trade of the day. Comes in at about 310. TP1. Let's see if it plays out. All right, TP smash. Just wait for another setup. I want to know. $200. Ooh, we crazy run. All right, I'm gonna set up. Let me make sure this is where the zone first started. All right. Didn't close. All right, we got the close. This is trade number 2, TP2 template. Gold is a little less volatile than NQ. So I guess that's why it typically takes a little bit longer to hit TP. I guess that's another reason why I like NQ a little bit more than gold, just because it's more volatile. My wins come slightly quicker. But that's 2-0. Barely had any drawdown on that trade. Up 400. We got to get to 5. Do not start celebrating your wins until you complete your win streak. You got to get at least, well, me personally, got to get at least 5 in a row. Would that move up be the time you close the short and take the long? I mean, if you like to reverse your entries, you could reverse that entry. I personally don't reverse my entries, but I personally just let SL get hit. You know, obviously some people don't trade that way and see a problem with that, but just with my psychology is I'm either going to win or I'm going to lose the trade. I don't like cutting my L short because my psychology gets messed up when I close a L, when I take a L and then it reverses and hits my TP. I really beat myself up about that because then I'd be like, man, why? Like it's kind of like I just pussied out. You feel me? That's how I take it. Like if something it gets close to my SL and then let me cut this L and then it reverse and hits TP. My psychology gonna go in the drain. I'm gonna be like, man, you fucking got scared. You fucking scared. You scared. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I don't like to do that. It's either TP or SL with me. All right, here we go. Trade number 3. All right, here we go. Got the entry. TP3. Getting a lot of pullbacks with gold. A lot of pullbacks. This is another 505. TP got hit at 6:30. So this is an hour 30-minute long trade, man. That's crazy. Me personally, I always use 2 contracts. But when I go live on Monday, I am dropping down to 1 contract entries. Just because risking 1,000 a day, which is what I do on combines, I don't feel comfortable risking $1,000 a day on my live funded. It kind of seems like I only risk $1,000 a day on my combine because I like to pass them hoes quickly. But for my funded, I'm only using one contract and I'm only risking 500 a day. If you're on a challenge account, I'd recommend using for this strategy on a combine. I recommend using 2 contracts and risking $1,000 a day. If you're using the strategy on a funded, I recommend using 1 contract and only risking 500 a day. So when you drop down to 1 contract, instead of $200 TPs and $500 SLs, you're gonna have $100 TPs and $250 SLs. That's how I'm gonna do it. That's how I'm gonna do my funded. But my combines, I'm still 2 contract entries. Like I'm not about to play all day with a combine account. You could even do 3 contracts on a combine. But that's as high as I'd go. The highest I'd go is 3 contracts on a 50K account. Yeah. So this is 3-0. 2 more, and we officially have a winning trading day. A lot of pullbacks coming with gold, though, that's for sure. And we're already at 630, so I would prefer for these entries to come pretty quickly, and we get some nice easy wins before it start getting too hectic. Before it should start getting hectic. All right, we got the close, just like what I wanted. A nice zone form very quickly, and an entry very quickly. So we're now at TP4. Another pullback. Boom, we got our entry though, can't complain. I mean, we got a TP smash, can't complain. So 4-0. And last trade of the day. Let's make it a good one. This would be a mentally fatiguing trading day. I'll tell y'all that right now. We're 7 a.m. I mean, I traded till 7 a.m. on Friday, but the very last trade got closed at 7 a.m. We're still actively looking for a trade at 7 a.m. But this should be the last one. Oh, shit. All right, here we go. Got the close below. We're at TP5 now. The odds are in our favor. Hope we get an easy win. Just like that, TP smash in 1 minute, no drawdown. On the entry, we had the biggest candle. I mean, the biggest SL. We had no drawdown. So, so Monday, what was it? Monday was a winner. Tuesday was a loser. Monday was a winner. Tuesday was a loser. Wednesday, no trade. Thursday was a winner. And now we're going to try to end the week with Friday, and hopefully we can get a win. Hopefully we can get a win on Friday as well. Shout out to 18 people in the live. Y'all are now joining at the end, but you know, you can still get some value. If y'all are enjoying the live stream and y'all don't want to miss when I go live on my Funded Monday, or y'all don't want to miss any strategy service Saturdays that I have, because y'all are joining in late, so y'all did miss a lot of value. I've already been streaming for damn near 4 hours. I would recommend subscribing, turn notifications on, because I do live stream 6 days a week. You know, that would just be wise. Quick promo plug. I'll go ahead and do this again since there is 18 people in here now. My website is now has now been developed. So if you like what y'all see, if y'all like my strategy, if you want some more in-depth knowledge on it, if I'm not explaining everything as clearly as maybe you would like, I do have my entire full in-depth trading plan on my website. And since this is the first week of my website being live, it is only $10 right now. I'll give y'all a quick little preview of. I mean, it's literally my entire trading plan. Uh, as you can see on the tabs, this is everything that's included. It tells you the basis of the trading plan, the strategy, time frames you can use it on, the risk management system I use, entry and exit rules, time, the sessions I use it on. You can use it on any session, but I typically use it on London. It'll tell you the indicator I got on. You have to have this. You have to have the right indicator, and it has to be made by the right author. The psychology behind it, some additional considerations, how to understand the market and why the strategy works in general, how to trade and track your journaling, how I backtest. Y'all see how I'm backtesting right now. It tell you how I backtest, common pitfalls and things to avoid, some ways that you can enhance my risk management system, because the way that I trade doesn't have to be the way that you trade, and you don't have to specifically follow this trading plan to a T. You can adjust it and to make it fit your psychology, and it also includes a couple of picture examples of the exact trades that I take. So just for the people that aren't fully understanding, or maybe you just want the PDF file in your possession, because I'm not going to be live streaming 24/7. If you have a question, you could just pull up the PDF file and use it yourself. So yeah, that's on my website for $10 right now for this week only. It will go up to $50 on the 11th, because that's the base price of it. And it did cost me thousands and thousands of losses to come up with this trading plan. But hey, you know, you can get a decent understanding through my lives. I trade futures. I trade futures, and I trade Topstep funded accounts, funded and compound accounts to be exact. So let's get back to and not to mention, for the people running in, this is literally my last trade of this back testing session. So here we go. This is for, wait, why does it say I'm 5-0? Oh, this was yesterday. All right, so like I said, Monday was a winner, Tuesday was a loser, Wednesday was New Year's, Thursday was a winner. So we're trying to end the week off with a W. No, I've never traded options. The only thing I've traded is crypto, FX, and futures. All right. So let's get. I don't like to use the last. I don't like to come to the charts and use the zone that was there. I like to see a new zone form. All right. Here goes the zone right here. Make sure that was correct. Yep. Okay. And for all the people that trade options, I mean, if it has candles, bro, if it has candles, this strategy probably work. I'm not gonna lie to you, but test it out. Test it out on back test and test it out on a demo to make sure. So first trade of the day is always going to be the tightest SL, 50 tick SL. If this trade wins, typically we get a snowball effect, and we can end up going on large win streaks. So let's see if we can get it done. Man, gold is giving us some long trades, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. So this was 3:20. We're at 4 o'clock now. We're 40 minutes in. All right, TP would have smashed about an hour in. Like we're getting hour-long trades, bro. This is not the case on NQ. This is why I start my yeah, especially during London. Obviously, if we was trading during New York, it wouldn't take this long. But this is why I start the stream off on NQ, bro. Because there's no way in hell I'm coming. There's no way in hell I'm starting off the rip with hour-long trades, bro. My SL increases $200 after every win. But to keep it relative for however you trade, all you do is just add whatever profits you made to your SL. The whole premise of the strategy is to the whole premise of the strategy is whatever money you make, you add it to your SL. That money that you just made is not yours until you complete your win streak. Once you complete that win streak, and then give yourself a pat on the back, you made that money. But like, say first trade of the day, you hit $200. I'm not jumping up and down because I just made $200 because I'm gonna turn around on this second trade and risk that 200 that I just made. I'm gonna turn around and just throw that in there. So my odds of winning get higher, but on the chance that you get an L, it will wipe out your profits. That is the that's the con. But if you're prepared to risk that money, then all is well. Just don't crash out if you lose. All right. Oh, but y'all know how I like to trade. If there is, I'll keep telling y'all this every time I see it because this is what I do. If you're ever in a trade already, I never hop in two trades at one time. But if you're ever in a trade and a zone forms close to your TP, if the candle that breaks out the zone also hits your TP, that is a valid entry. So let's see if that's what happens. It is. It breaks out the zone, and as it breaks out the zone, it also hits TP and closes outside that zone. So this is a valid entry, and um this would be our second trade of the day. So we would be 1-0 so far on Friday. And we'd be up $200. So let's see if this trade hits. We now increased our SL 20 ticks. We just added the profits from that last trade. And let's see if we win. All right, hold on, because it looks like we might get another example of it happening. As you can see, as price got close to TP, it formed another consolidation zone. So like I said, if price is to break out of this zone and hit TP at the same time, I will take another buy. All right, it did hit TP, but as y'all know, when we're back testing, there's no guarantee that actually would have filled our position live. So we're going to wait for another candle. And it looks like it decided to reject. We're not going to say that this trade won just yet because we don't know if we would have actually been filled. So let's just play it out to see if we can get a more more concise win, I should say. And since and this zone doesn't even matter anymore because it done already broke below and started doing some whole other stuff. So that zone no longer matters. Okay, here we go. We have another example of how it could possibly happen. If price is to break out of this zone and hit TP at the same time, I will be in for another buy. But if it closes below the zone is invalid. Keep that in mind. All right. So same premise. If it breaks above the zone and closes, that's an entry. All right, it closed above, but it did not hit TP. And I don't hop in trades. I don't hop in two trades at the same time. So we're just gonna let this trade play out. Okay, it's doing a lot of consolidation. I'm gonna keep placing my boxes just in case it's like a heavy candle push and it does break out and hit TP at the same time. Because that happens more. It happens more often than you think. That zone is now invalid because it closed below. I'm just kind of ready for it to make a decision on what it wants to do. All right, looks like we're getting some reversal. Zoom back out, see what's going to really happen. And as of now, bro, literally, we've been in this trade. It's 4:15. We've literally been in this trade for 2 hours and 15 minutes. This is ridiculous. Imagine the emotions we would have been going through after seeing this. If this failed us, then we would have been good a long time ago. If that candle right there would have failed us, then we're like, that's the thing about back testing. If this actually was a fail, then we'd be having a completely different trading day. Like if we was having if this actually did fail us, we would have took this trade. That would have been a winner. We would have took we would currently, if this trade failed, this would have been trade number 3. That's a winner. This would have been trade number 4. That's a winner. And we would have been currently in this trade right here out of this break. But, you know, can't play the woulda, coulda, shoulda game. Am I 1-0 or am I 2-0? Why do I feel like I won 2 trades already? Yo, Drake, what made you start using the consolidation zone indicator? Originally, I was doing supply and demand, and then basically, I always knew like from I always knew just from market knowledge and from coming up like watching informational videos that consolidation zones, like I already knew how consolidation zones work. Like everybody knows how consolidation zone work. Once it consolidates and breaks out that consolidation zone, then boom, you know, you hop in. So what I was doing is I was eyeballing it, like the same way you see me placing these rectangles. That's what I was doing, except I was just using my eyeballs. And then one day I was just like, I mean, like, because it stresses your brain to eyeball consolidation zones, and then you always question on whether you placed it at the right spot. So I was just, for a couple of months I was just eyeballing them, and then one day it was just like, bro, let me just check if they have an indicator. So then I went through those indicators and I just chose whichever one matched what I was seeing, because some of those indicators is bullshit. Like some of those will give you some complete bullshit zones, but I found that the one made by Lonesome gave me the most accurate zones and was aligning with what I was already seeing the best. So that's why I started using indicators. How long you been trading? I've been trading for it'll be 4 years in April, so about 3.5. I started off trading FX, then I moved to futures. So really, I've only been, I mean, to me, all markets is the same, but I've only been trading futures for a year. I was trading FX for my first 3 years. That's been getting me with my back testing too for my entries in. Yeah, no problem, CJ. You tried YM Dow Jones. I don't know what YM is, but yeah, I've traded US 30. Damn, bro, I only have too much trading in options. I'm 19. Yeah, I'm 23, bro. So I started like the same time as you. It's gonna take you. I mean, if you listen to good advice, if you know good advice when you get it, you can become profitable pretty quickly. But most people is getting steered in the wrong direction, and you're going. Most people you want are getting steered in the wrong direction by a marketer who's acting like they trade but don't actually trade, or you're getting good advice but you're too stubborn to listen, so you keep making the same mistake over and over again. I think I'm in the right path, bro. To be honest, I'm in Discord with young rich traders my age that teach for free. I learned so much from them. Well, shit, that's what's up, man. It's always good to get some people with credibility. That's what matters. That's what matters, is that you're learning from people that actually trade and you're not getting fooled. Yeah. Do you journal your trades still, or have you ever? Yeah, I used to journal my trades using TradeZilla, but that shit $50 a month. So fuck that shit. But Topstep X actually journals all my trades for me, so I don't have to manually journal them anymore. Yeah, they super taxing. I used to pay it though, because it's a good journal, but now it's a lot of good journals for free now. Shit, I'd rather just write that shit in my journal by hand than fucking keep paying them niggas $50 a month. What the hell? Crazy work. But man, let's see if this trade is gonna hit, man. This trade been going on for literally 2 hours. I could have sworn I was 2-0. Am I tripping, bro? Was I 2-0? Was I 2-0 or 1-0? I feel like I was 2-0, but I just didn't change it. Cause there ain't no way it's damn 6:30 and I've only taken one trade. But let's see if this plays out. Okay, fat ass L. So Friday would have been an L day, bro. It was just literally that L hit at 7:20. I was literally in that trade from 4:15 to 7:20, bro. Yeah, I know one of the candles hit my TP, but um yeah, you're right. You're right. I sure did. I sure did. So yeah, I was 2-0. This would have been 3-0. Like the thing with back testing is you really don't know. Like I really don't know if I would have got filled. Yeah, I see that it hit TP, but it was such a like look how tight this look how tight that shit is. Like maybe it filled me, bro. But I've been trading long enough to know that if your TP get hit like that, odds are the broker not gonna close your trade. They ain't gonna close it, bro. They gonna act like they didn't see it happen. I'm not gonna hit your TP and you're gonna be looking at your screen like, why the hell I ain't get taken out? Do you use breaker blocks on the 1 minute? I don't know what breaker blocks are. Ugh. So yeah, I'll just go on and say Friday was a decent day. You know, maybe I won, maybe I didn't, who knows. But all in all, all in all, yeah, I never really got into ICT. I listened to some of his motivational speeches, but um I never actually studied his concepts. At the end of the day, everything's just price action. Everybody just try to give they shit they own little fancy name. It's just price action at the end of the day. You should learn it, bro. It works on a 1 minute. I mean, it's a lot of strategies that work on a 1 minute, bro. If you try to use every strategy that works, you're gonna be, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna be here all day. You just gotta use whatever works for you. He gives some good. I don't know if he trader. I don't know if he's a good trader or not, but he gives some good motivational speeches. I tell you that. He had me pumped up. He had me pumped up on one YouTube video when he was talking about man, you gotta get out your job. So he said some shit. He was talking hella shit. But in terms of his concepts, I used to trade fair value gaps, but that didn't really last too long because the thing with ICT is he has so many followers that he has so many followers and there's so many people that trade his way that like y'all are easy pickings for the banks, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all easy pickings. Everybody, all the banks know that. All the banks know how big of a following ICT has, and they know that y'all trade fair value gaps. So, what you think they're gonna do when they see a fair value gap? They're gonna blow through that, huh? Simple as that. Yo, can you show me a good scalping strategy? Ain't no way, bro. But yeah, that'll do it for the day. So, all in all, um, Monday on NQ. Monday NQ and gold one. Tuesday NQ1 gold loss. Wednesday holiday. Thursday NQ lost gold one. Friday both losers. So I probably would have came out break even. Well, I actually traded this week and I didn't come out break even. I came out plus 3,000. So that just goes to show you, we just back testing for practice. We know it's not gonna always be 100% accurate, but it's always good to get some practice in. I'll send a link to Discord in chat. Why, bro? I swear I've been on live stream for like 4 hours. We was averaging like 8 to 10 viewers. As soon as I'm finna get off, my views want to jump to 20. Would this work for Asia session too? Yeah, it works for all sessions. Asian session just moves slower. But the reason I said that prefix is because I've been on live stream for like 4 hours scalping, and then you come in and say, "Can I show you a scalping strategy?" This doesn't look like a scalp because the volume was so goddamn low, and shit had us fucking in this trade for 3 hours. But when I was on NQ, we was scalping pretty heavy. Yeah, but we go live. We go live every day, 3 a.m. every trading day, 3 a.m. and we live trade. I just got funded. I just got my first funded of 2025 last week, so I'll be going live on that. I'll show y'all my Topstep real quick because I'm gonna do a video when I activate it. I sent the play I took on options on your Discord. If you just joined the Discord, you cannot type in the general chat. You have to type in the channel that says Traders Discussions, because I don't see anything from you, Adrian. So this is what I was trading last week. A lot of people seen me trade. A lot of people was in the live streams last week. I see some new faces in here though, so I know y'all wasn't there. But yeah, it was pretty smooth. Day one we had a break even day. We went down like 900, and then we made a comeback. And if you want to see my trade stats, if you want to see my trade stats, literally go on my YouTube. I literally did a daily performance stat breakdown. Literally after every single trading day, I showed all my stats for that trading day, and I literally posted a video every single day. I got like 5 videos. But quick little rundown. This is how the performance went. Day one was break even. I went down 900, and then I made that 900 back, and I just called it a day. Day two, I made 900. As y'all know, my daily cap is 1,000, so I made 956 and I stopped. Day three, I made 900 and I stopped. And then day four, I made 900, and then I seen my P&L was like, I just need like $150 more to pass, and then I just went ahead, took one more trade, and then I passed. 86% winning trade percentage. Like I said, with this strategy, if you don't have like over an 80% win rate, you're probably not gonna make it. Because once you start dipping into the 70s and 75s, it gets a little iffy. Maybe you still be profitable, but I know for sure if you want to for sure be profitable, your win rate should be like at least 80%. 80% will get you there. So yeah, still negative RR regardless. I always use negative RR. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. I'll do a video. I'll do a video Sunday when I activate. I'll do a video Sunday, end up actually activating the Spaces account. Uh, as y'all know, all you gotta do is you just pay a $150 activation fee and it activates. I plan on getting another combine too and trading them at the same time. Uh, but yeah, so I'll get out of here at like 7:20. Y'all okay? And also okay, so my camera just cut out, so that's a sign that I need to go ahead and get out of here. So I ain't even gonna fix it. Uh, I'll get out of here at like 7:20. Y'all just type whatever last comments y'all got. I'll drop a couple links in the chat, and then you know what I'm saying we're gonna get out of here. Great live stream. A lot of people in here. Uh, hope y'all got some value out of this. And yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Long ass live stream. I promise I never intend to be on live this long, but I just always end up being on live this long. All right. Uh, yeah. GG man. Yeah. GG. Yeah. Good meeting you too, Adrian. Hope everybody in this chat joined the Discord. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be giving updates in there and pretty much everybody else you see in the chat is in the Discord already. Y'all can talk and discuss with each other in the traders discussion chat. I know some of y'all are trading Asian. You know, some of y'all got different strategies, bro. The Discord isn't just like for me to just be telling y'all stuff. I'm just for the part where I'm telling y'all stuff is just in the general chat. But y'all can go in the traders discussion and talk about anything as long as y'all keep it respectful. You know, it's a lot of people sending their profits that they made. Just popping their shit. It's just popping their shit. Somebody just sent a 3K payout that they just got from Take Profit in there. So it's a lot of funded traders. It's a lot of people that trade with different firms. So yeah. See you Monday morning, man. I hope this worked out for Asian session. I know the volume is going to be a little lower, so you'll probably be in your trades a little longer, but it should all work. The highest time frame I go on it. I mean, it all just depends on how long you're willing to wait, because uh, because waiting for the consolidation zones on the hour, you're gonna be if you're trying to wait for a consolidation zone on the hour time frame, it's probably gonna take you like 4 hours. It's probably gonna take like 4 hours for one zone to pop up. Once that zone pops up, yeah, you'll win, but you're gonna be waiting all day. But if that's okay with you, then you can do it. Yeah, it works on any time frame just as long as you are willing to wait. Yeah, what up, prefix? Exactly. See, Sleazy already know what I'm talking about. He done already said exactly what I was talking about. So yeah, 2 more minutes. Um, if y'all are new here, just go ahead, drop a sub, turn your notifications on, so y'all don't miss a live. I'm still relatively new to YouTube, so I promise you, it's not no guarantee that I'm just gonna pop back up on y'all feed if that's how y'all found me. All right, bro. Long ass stream. It's Saturday, bro. Finna grab something to eat, chill, relax, man. Probably watch an NBA game. Let me see who playing today. The Lakers got the dub yesterday, so that's good. What we got? We got Warriors versus Grizzlies. I'll probably watch that. Nuggets versus Spurs again. What the heck? Yeah, a couple of good games coming on. Hawks versus Clippers. That might be a little good. But yeah, man. With that being said, man, I'm Topstep Drake. You know what I'm saying? This was a very good live stream. All live streams are saved for educational purposes. For the people who join late, just feel free to rewind it. And yeah, catch y'all. I won't be streaming Sunday. I don't do anything. I like to use Sunday as a rest day. So I might drop like one video, like some easy to make video, but no streams tomorrow. We're just gonna get ready for Monday. So yeah, catch y'all later, and no problem. No problem. Smell. No problem.